If you're selling print-on-demand products on sites like Etsy, your own website, Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, or others, then you'll want to know about Creative Fabrica. I think it's one of the best values on the market today. And I'm going to walk through some basics here, including some free stuff inside of Creative Fabrica. So when you first get to the main website, creativefabrica.com, you may see a menu at the top that looks like this. And there's a lot going on here. You're going to see a feed with a bunch of different images, and there's some stuff moving around. So you may get a little overwhelmed if you don't know where to look for stuff. So what we want to look for on the main page is this downloadable assets right here on the right-hand side. We're going to start there. Depending on what your Zoom looks like or what your graphics monitor looks like, you may have a menu that looks like this. So you'll notice the menus are slightly different than this. So this is over on the right-hand side, downloadable assets. But if your menu looks like this, you want to click on menu, and then you'll want to go down to the bottom where it says downloadable assets. If you don't like this menu, the way it looks, you can toggle this simply by zooming in or zooming out. So I'm holding down the control key and the scroll wheel on my mouse. This is a zoom in. This is a zoom out. So if you don't like the way one looks, you can always switch it around. Okay, I'm going to click on this downloadable assets right here. Okay, and it's going to say 12 million creative assets. Now, if you're logged in with a yearly or monthly subscription, then you can access pretty much everything on the website. It's called an all access subscription. You'll see here at the top, it says renews for $3.99 per month, build yearly, cancel anytime, access to millions of graphics and fonts. So I'll put a link to that in the video description below. If you're interested in signing up for the all access pass, that'll get you everything. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you purchase it through the affiliate link, I would receive a small commission. I use Creative Fabrica a lot for print on demand. But actually, we're going to start here with the freebies. So when you first get to this assets page, right over on the right-hand side, you'll see freebies. And when I hover over it, you'll see free fonts, free SVGs, and the list goes on. And you can click Browse All, or you can just simply click the freebies button. And when that happens, you'll see there's a big menu here at the top, all freebies, free fonts, free SVGs. So you can filter here at the top, or you can click here to view all the freebies. So there's over 390,000 freebies. So I'm going to click on that, view all. And here we're going to see all the freebies sorted by popularity. So it's just pages and pages and pages. This is all free. So if I want to click on new pose in fonts, for example, this is a downloadable font, a decorative font, and I can download it for free right here. Okay, so there's two ways you can download this font. If I click this download button here, download for free, I'm actually going to get this all access. And some people get frustrated by this because they go, hey, wait a minute, you just told me it was free, and now you're asking me to sign up for the trial. So this is if you're signing up for the trial. You'll see get this font for free, unlimited access, blah, blah, blah. This is the all access pass. Right here, it says you can also download this freebie product without the free trial. So this is truly free right here. So I'm going to click this link, and we'll see right here there's a zip folder that gets opened in your Windows Explorer, and this is the name of the font. I can simply click save, and that will save this now as a zip folder in my drive. Okay, and here is my zip folder. I'm simply going to double click it now to open it, and there's the open type font file. I can right click and I can open. This is the actual font right here. You can see how it looks. And to install, I'm just going to simply click the install button right here. A little tiny window pops up on another screen. It takes about a second to install on my computer. And now I have New Pose installed on my computer for free. So here I am in Word. I've typed in some text. I'm going to highlight it. And then up here at the top, I can change my font. And there's my font right there, New Pose. I'm going to click on it. That looks wonderful. What a great looking font, crystal clear. And I can use this in any commercial project. It's a completely free font. Let's take a look next at some images. So I'm going to click on freebies over on the right again, and I'm going to go to free graphics this time. And we can see there's lots of free graphics, free graphic bundles, tons and tons of stuff. So you can scroll through the endless pages here. There's tons of pages. And instead, I'm going to go up here to the top, and I'm going to type in funny cat, for example. Now I can scroll on the left-hand side and I can see different categories, and I can also see special licenses that come up. So here is freebies on the left. I'm going to click on that. That's 695 now will come up. These are completely free. So here I'm going to click on funny cat clip art watercolor. And we can see here it says you can also download this freebie product without an all access trial. So I'm going to download this product as a freebie right here. And similar to before, we'll see there's a compressed folder here, watercolor, funny cat clip art. I'll click save. This is what the inside of the zip folder looks like. There's a bunch of PNG files, and I'm going to click on one, and I can view what each of these files looks like. These look amazing. Beautiful little cute cats. This would look great on a t-shirt, fine art print, anything in the print on demand world. Now, if you really like it, certain designers, so in this case, I'm looking at this mega bundle going, wow, I really like the way this looks. If you scroll down, you're going to see the actual seller on Creative Fabrica. There's individual sellers like you and me that can list digital downloads for sale. So in this case, the seller is Crafted Wonders. I'm going to view their profile, and we can see here there's a whole bunch of different designs that this person has set up. They have over 17,000 listings on Creative Fabrica, and I can look through and I can either just scroll through and see what I like, or I can use the filters along the left-hand side. They have bundles and tumbler wraps. I'm going to go here to t-shirt designs, for example. So when I click on a t-shirt design, we can see how many people have added it to favorites. And then we can also see a little description here as well. SVG, DXF, EPS, and PNG high resolution file. So you can add it to favorites. This is where you can access it later. So I'm going to click add to favorites here. And we'll see I've added this now to my favorites, and I can even add it to a list. I could create different lists. So to access your favorites, it's right here at the top. I'm going to click on favorites right next to my profile name, and I can see I've got my favorites now sitting here. So you can favorite different designs, and you can even create lists of them for easy access later on. If you're done and you don't want to favorite anymore, then you can simply click this little heart button here and you can unfavorite it. So it's a cool feature if you're into making lists and keeping things organized. Now, in addition to the fonts and in addition to the images, there's also POD, which is print on demand. So I'm going to click on that. And print on demand assets are very specific. They're designed for t-shirts and fine art prints, that kind of thing. So you can just simply scroll through and see all the different illustrations, or you can use the search bar here at the top. So German Shepherd, for example. And we'll see there's 2,900 results that come up. So some people like buying clip art bundles. Some people like buying SVG files for like a Cricut machine, for example. There's lots of different options. So don't be afraid to search. You can also cross niche. So for example, German Shepherd Halloween, that's 2 different niches. And you can see now there's about 170 results. And I can scroll through and find great looking designs that fit the niche that I'm looking for as a print on demand seller. Big thing to remember here is that these are good for physical products. You cannot resell the digital download, but you can put this on physical products and products like t-shirts, fine art prints, anything in the print on demand world. If you're interested in using artificial intelligence, Creative Fabrica has that too. There's a thing here called Studio AI. When I hover over that, you can see a drop-down menu that comes up. You can vectorize images, you can upscale images, remove the background. So there's a bunch of different tools that you can use here inside of Studio AI. If you just want to check it out, just click on the Studio AI button, and that will take you into Studio inside of Creative Fabrica. Basically, you can go here over to the left-hand side and you can go into AI and you can do an AI image generation or AI image edit, or you can vectorize an image, you can upscale an image. So you can just try out these different things. The Studio AI is something that I'm not a huge fan of at this point in time. If I'm being perfectly honest, I don't find a ton of value in there. To create even one image, when I click generate, you'll notice it says there's 6,000 coins needed. Well, they only give you 5,000 to start. So it's really tough without the all access pass and without paying for Studio AI. I just typically use ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot or Gemini, which are all free to use. So I can't in good conscience recommend Studio AI. I don't use it a whole lot. What I do instead is I use Creative Fabrica with the all access pass to get big bundles of already made designs, and then you can use these in the print on demand space. Now, I do recommend one specific thing if you're using these designs for print on demand. So for example, I'm going to go to image graphics, and then I'm going to go here to illustrations. So I'm going to pick something like this cute skeleton Halloween PNG file. Now, because I have the all access subscription, you're just going to see simply a download button right here. So everything is essentially free or included in the price. But what I would recommend is when you're using a design like this, you want to add something else to the design. So you can use this for commercial and full POD, but there is a risk that you run if you use it just as is. If I were to upload this onto Redbubble, for example, and stick it on a bunch of products, and someone else were to also download this product and upload it to Redbubble on a bunch of different products, we're going to have the same looking products. So even though we're allowed to use this for full POD usage, Redbubble may not like multiple sellers with the exact same products, and they may move to strike or even ban a seller for using the exact same design as someone else. They don't know or care that you have full commercial and POD use. So what I'd recommend is if you take a design like this, put a background on it, add a couple other elements to it, maybe put some bats in here or a background or a circle or something, and that will differentiate your design so that you can stand out from the competition. It's good practice to upload as unique designs as possible. I really hope you found this walkthrough helpful. There's freebies over on the right. Make sure to check them out. There's an all-access subscription. It's about $4 a month. I have a link in the video description below. I think it's a great value. You can really supercharge your print-on-demand business and get some great-looking fonts, graphics, and many, many more items on Creative Fabrica. Here's another video where you can have some fun using some free stuff.